Hello everybody, welcome back. As you will have seen from the title of today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Hunkydory Goody boxes. These have literally just arrived and I cannot wait to get inside. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. I will leave Hunkydory linked in the description box. It's not an affiliate link, it's just to be helpful, but if you like what you see, go and grab them fast because they are going to sell out really soon. So, without further ado, let's jump into it and let's unbox these. So, I do actually have two. And for now, I'm just going to do one and I will tell you for why. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Right, we're doing this one. So, I am going to unbox this one with you right now. The other box I'm saving. The other box I am going to open on a live tomorrow at about 1:30 in the afternoon UK time. So that's going to be a Saturday the 23rd about 1:30. Please subscribe, hit the notification, ring the bell. Please come and join me because it's going to be absolute hell not to open that now. I will be honest. I'm just going to want to dive straight in when I finish this one. So please come and join me to open the other one live tomorrow. But for now, let's get into this. So, let's just move the camera. Okay, let's get into this one and see what I've got. So these boxes are £30 each, but you're guaranteed to get at least £80 of craftable supplies in them. I've watched a few of the unboxings and they have been putting out so many good things. The reason I like Hunkydory's mystery boxes are they give you current line products, new releases in them, as well as slightly older stock. So they are not just trying to shift old lines, they're literally doing amazing value for money, treating their customers. It's fantastic. You can't use any other discounts when you buy these, so you literally pay the £30. Free delivery is over 40, I think, but let's do some girl math. So they're £30 each. If you buy two, you'd have had to spend an extra tenner if you wanted free delivery anyway. So if you buy two boxes, the other one technically only cost you £20 because you had to get over the free delivery, right? So you haven't really spent £60 on two boxes. Girl math says you've spent 50. But anyway, they are £30 each. Right, let's have a look. So in the beautiful floral box, we have the paper. Now I want to try and do this as like a blind unboxing, so I just rummage. So let's first of all try and slide this out without showing anything. Oh, there's another piece there. Okay, now I do know there is a voucher here from Hunkydory as a thank you. It's like a 10% off voucher, I think, which obviously I'm not going to share the code on YouTube, but you do get one of these in your boxes to use on any purchases between now and the 18th of April. So there you go. Okay, so let's kind of have a rummage and see what comes out first. First things first, double-sided tape. Fantastic. That can go straight in my DT box. So full disclosure, I am on the Hunkydory design team. I'm extremely privileged and lucky to be on their design team, but they do not send us these. We pay for these and we pay full price like everyone else. But part of my thinking behind it is I get loads of stuff I can use for my design team projects, and this will go straight in my design team box because I'm always going through tape so quick. Next, what's this? I have a stamp. This is Whispered Wishes. So there you go, that's what it is. I think I got that fairy door last year. So that's nice. I've got another one in the set if that is correct. So I have a stamp. Next up, okay. Next up, oh, Halloween Gnomes. This is a little book. Okay, so let's have a flick. Look at these. I don't really do Halloween, but I can't resist little gnomes, and these will be great for kids' cards at that time of year. My little girl started school this year, and when I tell you she has a better social life than me, she is being invited to so many parties. Clearly I'm going to make the cards for that, but yeah, it can be a challenge because I don't have much boy stuff. So what I'm really hoping to get in some of these boxes are stuff suitable for boy makes, and that is one big tick. I can certainly use those for any birthdays really at the other end of the year, so quite happy with that. What else do we have? There is something large here. Let's see. Ooh, so I saw this come out of a box on the Hunkydory live. This makes a heart box. Look how big that is. Isn't it gorgeous? So I can definitely use this in my design teamwork. And I can use it in my proper normal life crafting as well, because how nice would that be to make up for Valentine's Day, for my anniversary in like August. And look, we have some lovely sentiments there as well. So yeah, really happy with that. Excited to play with that. Running out of room. Okay, so next, let's see. Oh, I have, oh my goodness. I have an Essentials paper pack, and it is so me. Rainbow Skies. Oh my goodness, 24 sheets. There are all the sheets. This, again, I can totally use this in my samples and things. Super happy with that. Look how beautiful. Well chuffed. Do you know, I reckon just with these I'm probably nearly at the price of the box, but I don't know prices off the top of my head, but I would say, you know, that's probably close to £30 worth. There's still more in here. So next up I have Butterfly, I can't even talk now, I'm just so excited. Butterfly Blush. This is a deluxe craft pad. So in here we have everything we need to make the cards. So we have the toppers, we have foiled and die cut card. Like, look, oh my goodness, look at those pinks. Love it. Let's have a flick. So there's the inserts. So it's literally a card kit in a pad. Look at those. How gorgeous. This will easily be used. I have no issue using this. I might come back and do a video using this pad up, because that is just perfect for all my friends. So we have that. What's next? Let's see. We have a topper sheet. What topper sheet? Oh, look. In the Wild. Oh, it's a decollage sheet as well. Amazing. And I can so use that for little boy cards. Perfect. So in here I've got topper sheets and I've got some cardstock. So again, very easy to make cards with. Look at that. Would you look? Oh my goodness. So happy with that. Okay. Cool. Very happy that I'm getting through my wish list of things for boys. Okay, I can actually feel several topper sheets here, so I'm just going to kind of pull them all out together. Okay, so I have Ruby Blooms. This is a luxury topper sheet. Look at the poppies. Again, that's going to be perfect for the other end of the year, but there's no reason why I couldn't do that now. Or if you were having like a Ruby anniversary, that would do. Look how beautiful that is. My mum would have loved this. My mum loved poppies. That's carnations though. That's not poppies at all. Have I got the flower wrong? Those are okay, mixture of poppies and carnations. Okay. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it. So I did this launch, Beautiful Dreams. This is from the Moonlight Fairies collection. I did this launch. I loved this launch and I have been using this like I cannot even tell you. So I'm super happy to have another one of these because, I mean, it's just perfect for little girl cards, isn't it, really? Super happy to see that. And yes! Oh, amazing. So this is By Land and Sea. That is perfect for boys. I am super chuffed. So you just pop these out, decoupage them up, done. Use a duo design pad, back them onto that. You're well done. Right, perfect. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy right now. Okay, still more though. I am not done. It's another topper, is it? No, this is the last thing in the box. Okay, I thought it was a topper. It's a framed florals. So this is another kit. So we have 2 300 GSM foiled and die cut topper sheets. We have foiled and die cut aperture card blanks. And we have some envelopes. So this is like a whole card kit. This is the inspiration sheet. So this shows what was made for it for the launch. I didn't do this one. But again, beautiful. Really look forward to playing with that. Can definitely use that to send to family, friends, mother-in-law. Yeah, super chuffed with that. And just to show you, the box is now completely empty. So that was box 1 of my 2 Hunkydory Goody boxes. I am super chuffed. I got a lot off my wish list with this box. And I got a lot that wasn't on my wish list, but that I am super happy to have. So these are so much fun. I'm going to open the other one on live tomorrow, Saturday the 23rd at 1:30ish. Might need to give me a little bit either way, but please do ring the notifications. I'll put it up, I'll schedule it, it'll be there for you to do what you need to do. What am I hoping to see in tomorrow's box? I would love to get some of the Wild and Free collection. It was a horse collection that came out last year and I have really tried not to buy it, but I really want it. So I would love to get some of that in tomorrow's box, and I'd love some more boy bits. But apart from that, I mean, I just think these are so great. Apart from that, I really don't mind what I get, I'll be honest. But let me know what you think of what you've seen today. Please let me know if you'll be joining me tomorrow. It's going to be so hard not to open the other box because I'll be honest, I just want to jump right in right now. But I'm going to try and be good. So please do join me. Let me know if you're going to join me. And thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. I do appreciate everyone that takes the time out of their day to come and watch my videos and chat to me in comments. So it's really appreciated. Please do make sure if you're not already subscribed, you hit the subscribe button because it helps the channel grow and reach more people. And yeah, have you got one? Have you got some on the way? How many did you get? Did you stop at 1? Or did you go a little bit more? I plan on doing some videos crafting with these products. So let me know what kind of video you'd like to see. Is there anything here that stands out that you'd like to see used? Let me know in the comments below and I will try and get those videos done as soon as possible for you. But that's it for today. So please join me tomorrow, and if not, I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, thank you so much for watching today. Take really good care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.